Hello everyone, welcome back. Let's make Lauki Thepla today. Lauki Thepla is a flatbread made with whole wheat flour, spices and grated bottle gourd, also known as Lauki or Doodhi. The addition of bottle gourd adds moisture and nutrition to the theplas, making it a wholesome choice for any meal. Firstly, peel and grate the bottle gourd. Then make a paste of garlic, green chillies and ginger. Once done, keep this aside. Next, take 2 cups of whole wheat flour, add 1/4 cup of besan, add grated bottle gourd, chopped coriander leaves, carom seeds, ginger garlic chili paste which we just prepared, add turmeric powder, red chili powder, cumin-coriander powder and salt. Mix everything well. Now add water gradually and knead the mixture to form a stiff dough. Once done, add a teaspoon of oil and knead it again for a few seconds. Now take a small portion of the dough and roll it into a ball. Dust it lightly with flour and flatten it slightly. Use a rolling pin to roll it out into a thin circle, making sure to maintain an even thickness for uniform cooking. Place the thepla on a hot griddle, drizzle some oil around the edges and cook on low heat, allowing it to develop a golden brown color on both sides. Repeat the process with the remaining dough. Serve Lauki Theplas warm with curds and pickle for a delightful meal. If you liked the recipe, do hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.